Flights.com, honest review, watch before using. In this video, we're diving into Flights.com, an online platform for booking flights, hotels, and car rentals. Before we get started, check the description below for links to the product and additional resources. Now let's break down everything you need to know about Flights.com so you can decide if it's the right tool for your travel needs. Flights.com is a user-friendly platform designed for travelers looking for a quick and efficient way to book their trips. Its standout feature is the comprehensive search engine, which allows you to compare flights across various airlines to find the best deals. You can filter results by price, number of stops, or travel time, which is great if you're looking for a specific type of flight. But what sets it apart is its ability to offer bundled packages for flights, hotels, and car rentals, making it a one-stop shop for all your travel needs. One of the platform's biggest advantages is its price alerts feature. You can set up notifications for your desired routes, and the site will alert you when prices drop. This is perfect for budget-conscious travelers or anyone trying to get the best deal. Additionally, Flights.com provides various payment options, including the ability to pay in installments, which is a huge plus for larger bookings. The site is created for anyone looking for a seamless travel experience. Whether you're a frequent flyer, booking a last-minute business trip, or planning a family vacation, Flights.com has you covered. Its straightforward interface makes it accessible for first-time users, and the vast selection of travel services ensures it's useful for experienced travelers alike. To sum it up, Flights.com delivers a solid service for booking flights and other travel needs. It's easy to use, offers competitive prices, and provides convenient features like price alerts and payment flexibility. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like to help others discover useful information. Thanks for watching.